Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Say this model so they can predict decades into the future.
Artificial intelligence.
They will take control.
Superhuman AI that could take over the world.
Assalamualaikum to Madam Fatima. We are Group 4 and the topic that we are chosen for this group project, which is impact of information technology to audit. But before we going through the slide presentation, I would like to introduce our group member. So this is our group member. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Ahmad Dawam. Next we have Amirul Fikri bin Nazaruddin, Muhammad Hazrin bin Hamdan, Nur Farah Aina binti Muhammad Ali, and the last of our group member is Nur Shimira binti Zahri. So our presentation begins now.
So first we will go to the introductions. The world of auditing is changing fast. Businesses are using more cloud systems and new technology. This means auditors now look at financial data and also checks risks like data privacy and system security. Audit tools today do more than just help inside the firms. Tools like dashboard help auditor and client works together better. With data analytics and process mining, auditor can see how transactions flow and make sure everything works right. Big innovations like KPMG's IPNS price help make audits faster and add more value for clients. The future auditing is here.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will explain section 2.0, which is about the ethical challenges that come with the use of technology in auditing. Today, audit firms are used advanced tools like artificial intelligence AI, data analytics, blockchain, and cloud ERP system. These tools have definitely improved audit quality, made process faster, and help in real-time decision making. However, there are several ethical concerns. First, over-reliance on technology can weaken an auditor independence when auditors fully depend on machine result without applying their own professional judgment. It compromises audit quality. Secondly, most auditors are not well trained to use this technology effectively. This lack of skill affects their competence and due diligence, which are key ethical principles in auditing. Next, the issue of confidentiality. Since many systems are now cloud-based, auditors have greater access to sensitive client data. This increases the risk of data breach and ethical violence, especially if data is not properly secure. Lastly, there are no clear or fixed ethical standards for using new audit tools. In high-pressure environment, auditors might be tempted to prioritize speed over audit quality, which goes against ethical value like fairness and transparency. So overall, while technology brings many benefits, audit must still act professionally, applying critical judgment and protect client data to maintain public trust.
In this digital era, technologies like cloud computing, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and data analytics have significantly transformed the audit profession. While these tools enhance audit efficiency and fraud detection, they also introduce serious ethical concerns that threaten auditor professionalism. One major concern is over-automation. When auditors rely too heavily on AI, they risk losing their professional skepticism and critical judgment. Auditors must not blindly accept AI-generated conclusions, as this could compromise their integrity and the trust placed in them by stakeholders. Another issue is the lack of technological competence. Many auditors lack the skill to understand and interpret advanced audit tools. This skill gap not only violates standard of professional competence but also lead to poor audit quality, putting public interest at risk. Auditors also face external pressure such as financial incentive and tight client relationship. This pressure can affect their objectivity and independence, leading to ethical dilemmas between meeting client demands and complying with regulation. Furthermore, the absence of clear ethical guidelines for using new technologies like KPMG, Sapphire, and PwC Halo make it difficult for auditors to apply these tools responsibly. This gap increases the risk of misuse or errors during audit. Lastly, the digital divide between developed and also developing countries present an ethical challenges in terms of fairness. Auditors in less developed region often lack access to modern audit technologies, leading to inequality in audit quality globally.
So, there are several analyses can be concluded regarding the topic impact of information technology to audit. First, the extent to which IT innovation have affected audit processes and the overall profession. To collect relevant data, the researcher employed a qualitative approach, utilizing surveys directed primarily at auditors who have experienced the transition brought about by IT in their audit practices. For second, the auditor from big firms offer them access to bigger data set and will enhance the exploration of the evolving nature and growing technology in the overall audit profession. This area is not narrowly the only contribution of study, but these elements are about an evaluation of both efficiency and effectiveness with information technology where audit delivery is involved, and it also significant change in profession where auditors forced to rethink their opportunities to adapt to allow them to better function as professionals. The last one is there are positive implications for using IT. The study discovered a number of issues limiting the use of digital support when undertaking audits. Although digital tools should improve accuracy, efficiency, and help deliver new insight, the technology introduced two important challenges: technical and organizational challenge.
For the evaluation section, we look at how IT advancements are not just changing audit tools but also how auditors work and deliver value. I will explain 4 key points from the article. The first point is the shift from internal to external innovation. Audit firms now use technology not just to improve their own system but also to increase client engagement. This helps build trust and show clients that the firm is transparent and up to date. It's an important way for audit firms to stay competitive. Second, cloud ERP systems are now more accessible. It's not just for big companies but also for smaller ones. This system help automate and standardize business process, making audit faster and more efficient. However, auditors need to upgrade their skill and work effectively with these digital tools. Third, collaboration portals are being used more during audits. They let clients see automated audit results in real time, which increase transparency. But they also have small risks, which is client may misinterpret the data. So, auditor must guide them and make sure everything is clearly understood. Lastly, dashboard now allow auditor to compare results with benchmark. This turns the audit process from reviewing the past to giving strategy advice. It's a powerful tool, but its impact depends on whether clients are ready to use it effectively. Overall, technology in auditing brings many benefits, from improved transparency to smarter decision making. But to fully enjoy this benefit, both auditor and client must adapt and keep learning.
So to conclude, technology has truly transformed auditing. From manual work to digital tools, auditors now check both financial data and system behind it. Tools like dashboard, data analytics, and continuous monitoring help auditors and clients work together better and faster. To stay ahead, auditor must keep learning and adopt new skills. This change brings better quality, more transparency, and greater value of audit. Thank you for watching. Let's embrace the future of auditing together.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.